Hello students, last time I explained purchase day book. Today I will explain sales book. It is very simple. Only the thing needed to be remembered is the format of the sales book. Now like purchase day book, it is in the same format. And here you can see the columns date, particulars, invoice number, ledger folio, details, sale, output CGST, output SGST, and output IGST, and total amount. Since here output CGST and SGST or IGST will be collected by the business, so only output has been mentioned and the sales has been mentioned, and details you can enter in the details column. So let's see now an illustration that will make it more clear. So prepare sales book for the following transactions at Navketan Furniture House, Ludhiana, assuming CGST 6% and SGST 6%. So on May 1st, sold goods to 5-star furniture company Patiala on credit. 150 chairs at the rate of 1800 each and 36 tables at the rate of rupees 5000 each. Discount 20%. Discount means of course trade discount, because all the credit sale we only enter in the sales book. Again sold goods to Vishal Furniture House, Amritsar. Places have been mentioned so that you will understand whether CGST, SGST will be applied there or IGST will be applied there. That means whether it is intrastate or interstate. So let's see now how it has been made, the solution. So you can see in the particulars column we will enter the name of the customer whose account is to be debited, and here 5-star furniture company Patiala. Again details we will write here as we have written in purchase book. 150 chairs at rupees 1800 each and 36 table at the rate of rupees 500 each. In the details column we will write all the amounts. Then again we will subtract the trade discount here. 20% was the amount. Again CGST and SGST will be added and the total will be written as 4,03,200. Now the components PV will be written separately in the sales column, and output CGST or SGST or IGST, whichever is applicable. Again on May 15, Vishal Furniture House, Amritsar, 10 almiras at the rate of rupees 11,000 each and 5 sofa set. Only you have to calculate. Again trade discount was here 15%, so 15% subtracting we get 1,70,000. We will add CGST and SGST and we will get the amount. Again we will write the components in the respective column. So in this way we will get 1,90,400. Again Prakash Furniture House, 100 chairs at the rate of rupees 2,000 each, trade discount 5%. Now since here the goods were supplied to New Delhi, so here IGST will be applied. IGST will be adding CGST and SGST, so 12%. Again 12% will be added with that, and in the sales column 1,90,000, and in the output IGST column only all the 12% will be written. So we will get the total amount in total column. In this way all the columns total will be made and total you will write. So this is the simple sales book. Now I will send this PDF as classwork and one more sum for you to practice as homework, and I will provide the solution of the previous work, and along with that I am also sending you some assignments of cash book which you will submit in 2 or 3 days. I will mention the time there. So take care. Bye. Thanks.